Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you an easy way to diversify the boring 1x1 rib stitch. As a result, we get this stylish knit, which you can also use as the main one when knitting clothes or accessories. After 4 rows of 1x1 rib stitch, the scheme consists of 2 loops and 4 rows. Begin by casting on even stitches plus 2 edge loops. The first row is on the wrong side. After the edge loop, we work with loops in pairs. Knit the first loop from the bottom row. Then pull up a long loop as if purling with thread in front. And slip the second loop without knitting. Again, knit 1 from the bottom row. Pull up a long loop, and slip 1. The second row is on the right side. After the edge loop, purl 1 and knit 2 together through the back. Again, purl 1 and knit 2 together through the back. The third row is on the wrong side. Repeat the scheme of the first row. After the edge loop, knit 1 from the bottom row, pull up a long loop, and slip 1. Again, knit 1 from the bottom row, pull up a long loop, and slip 1. The fourth row is on the right side. Repeat the scheme of the second row. After the edge loop, purl 1 and knit 2 together through the back. Again, purl 1 and knit 2 together through the back. After these 4 rows, according to the scheme, we should knit the 4 rows of rib elastic stitch. Then repeat knitting the rows from 1st to 4th. I have presented you with an easy way to spice up boring elastic knitting. As a result, you get this elegant, stylish knit that will decorate any garment or accessory knitted with it. I highly recommend it. If you found the video helpful, please click the thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss a video. Click my Knit Knot Space Shop icon or the link in the description below the video to see my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift. Thank you for being a part of this, and I am excited to see you soon.